What's good, lovelies? It's your girl, Cherish Love. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. Alright, so let's get into this video. Today, I'm doing my little cousin's hair. She said she wanted these Fulani braids. Never heard of it, but I did my best. And I'm going to show you guys what I use. I use 1.5 pack of Expression pre-stretched hair. Pretty good hair for sensitive, skin. I have my Black Panther, the best ever. I always use Black Panther, my mousse, and my jam. And then I use a little wild hair growth oil, to oil her dry scalp.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. Be my girl, be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
Hey lovelies, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Okay, so what I'm doing is starting with the back of her hair. I always start with the back when I'm doing like 2 layers. It's just easier for me. I don't know what you guys do, but that's what I do. I'm kind of making them like big because her hair is really, really thick. So I'm just adding jam, and I put at the base of her hair, I use Black Panther. Black Panther. And then like on the ends of her hair, I use the jam. And then I put jam like all the way down her hair, and yeah, that's pretty much just trying to blend her hair as much as possible. So I'm gonna do like maybe 3 to 4 rows, and we'll see how it turns out. We are on row 4. It is coming together real cute. So I keep adding jam because her hair is really, really dry. It makes it easier to braid. Hey lovelies, comment below if you ever had this hairstyle before. So we finally made it to the top of the head, and I'm going to start with the middle braid first. I start by making sure that I put jam all over, just so it'll be easier for me when I braid. Now this is where I start the feed-in process. I add little piece by piece to get it all together. When I do feed-ins, it just looks fuller and, more cuter. Now I make sure I leave a lot of baby hair out because I'm not trying to be snatching nobody's edges. Girl. Now you don't want to rush the process. Take your time, because if you rush, your braids might start twisting or going a different way, so just take your time. So I'm just going to check to see how long they are. because sometimes I make them too short and have to add hair. Okay, lovely, so we're getting somewhere. Almost done. So when you do feed-ins, you add the hair at the bottom of the hair. Don't do it at the top because it'll look crazy. Alright, so this protective style took about 3 hours. Like I said, we used 1.5 packs of hair. Yeah, so it really wasn't that much, and it's a protective style, so she really likes it, so we're happy about that. Happy birthday, Lonnie! Your favorite cousin loves you.
Let's go back.
So there you have it. I'm just about done. If you like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Peace.